Zeus, calm down. I'm just here to take the modem, dude. I'm gonna leave soon. Goodbye, modem. We've had you for 3 years. Because we actually moved into this house September 2nd, 2009, I think. And today's September 3rd, so been in here for about 3 years now. So that's cool, I guess. Gonna unscrew this cable. Because we're getting a new modem, because this one doesn't support our high speeds as good. So, okay, this is a pain in the butt. I probably need 2 hands for this. Goodbye, taking you back to the cable company. Too slow. You're 2009. Yeah, because we had a grandfather plan that had unlimited data, but I don't know how unlimited you're gonna get whenever it's so slow. So, you know. But now we have the highest one, which has the lowest overage costs. Like, literally 1/100 of a penny. So it's all good. Alright, we'll be right back, dogs. Be right back. So, this is a downpour. Listen. Oh my god. Yeah, I hear it. It's hailing? Yeah. Really? I can hear it. Jeez. It just...
Shit, how am I supposed to get through?
It just started up all of a sudden. No, we don't. Oh. Oh my god. Yep, it's hailing. Jeez. Oh my. Look at the hail. It's like it snowed. There's people cheering. Hail. More hail. And maybe 3 or 5 minutes later, it's just the rain that we get every single day now. Ooh, man! Wow, look, the backyard's already a little bit flooded. But yeah, there was hail. Wow. All my friends, see, look, I went outside and yeah, that was for like a few seconds. All my friends on the east side of town, which is where this happened, the west side didn't get anything. It came up from the Turnagain Arm. You know how Anchorage is kind of like situated like this, and then there's land under it. It came up like that and hit us randomly. It just formed, so a huge rain band. But yeah, that was crazy. There was probably about 30 tweets in the past 10 minutes from like 20 people or so. It was like everybody's like, oh my god, ah! So that's crazy. I'll show you guys the radar. Here, let me turn this around. There we go. No, it's not. No, it's not that. That's always there because it's freaking Prince William Sound. Okay, let's see if it'll focus. Let me zoom in on Anchorage real quick. Now it's not even popping up on the radar. That's weird. Huh. Oh, you can barely see it. There it is. Yep. See, and then it's gone. That little red part, you guys can barely see it. Watch me. Boom. In the lower 48, that would have lasted for like an hour. But nope, it just came in and out. Usually happens in August and September, but we haven't hail in about 2 or 3 years, so usually we get those little storms that happen like once every 2 or 3 years. They push in and they're gone like within 5-10 minutes, so that was crazy. There was no thunder though, unfortunately, thunder or lightning. And then another thing, we are already getting forecasted a chance of snow. Yeah, chance of snow and 55 degrees. I don't get how that works, but we're already getting chances for snow, and it's crazy. My hair's a little bit wet. So are my glasses. Alright guys, if you can remember last week, okay, make sure if I'm recording. If you guys do remember last week, whenever the winds really picked up, well, it's going to be even worse actually. But for some reason, before I go on, I really don't know how that works. The chance of rain and snow. In the high of 55? Like, what? But anyways, Tuesday. Southeast wind, 45 to 55. Sustained. So I'm going to go up to that hill tomorrow night and sit out there. And the gusts could get up to like 70 miles an hour. So I'm going to have some fun whenever I get home from school. So, it'll be fun. Oh look, and then near Alaska, just a chance of snow. It's getting closer.